Alright, what's up everybody? Another day, another property home tour. If this is your first time tuning into this channel, my name is Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas. So today, we are here in the city of Henderson in a masterplan community of Cadence. And we just got done touring of this lovely model right here. This is the marble wood. This one right here is going to be the ironwood. Now the ironwood is 1,800 square feet. It features a 2-story, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 2-car garage, covered patio, great room, dining room, kitchen, and with an island, pantry, loft, owner suite, walk-in closet. Okay. We're in the master plan community of Cadence, and the name of this neighborhood is Bel Canto. This is by Richmond American Homes. So we're gonna go inside. We're gonna take a look. The base price, the asking price for this beautiful townhome here, okay, is $404,950. The entryway is going to be off to the side. Okay, here we have a easement right here, so you can see the utilities and all that stuff is going to be over here or off to the side where the garage is. Now, as you notice, we have the main water line here, the water spigot. Then we have our PVC for the rainbird system, pressure breaker valve for the sprinkler system. We also have our control valve here. You can have multiple control valves. We do also have the power right here. Then we have our TV and our D-mark right here. We also have our sensors here, okay? Something just to keep in mind. Now, one thing that I want you to take a look at is a couple things on the exterior of the home. Make sure you guys know what this is. Okay, right here, this is our drain line. So this tells me that this is probably for the soft water, or because the heater is actually right here. So basically that tells me that is for your hot water heater, for your relief valve. Now as we come in, I just want to show you guys right here what this is. This is your clean out valve. You need to make sure where your clean out valve is. It's so important that you understand the construction of your home and the mechanics of your home, right? These are things that you just need to be aware of. All right, so as we come in, one of the features that this builder will give you right off the bat is 9-foot ceilings, 8-foot doors, okay? Now, as you can see, it's a completely open floor plan, which is pretty nice. Now, this one has a lot more upgrades than usual. You'll have carpet throughout other than the wet areas, which consists of the kitchen, bathroom, and the laundry room. Okay. Now let's take a look at these cabinets. The cabinets, you're gonna get those maple cabinets. Nice quartz countertops with some veining. You have some nice white cabinets. Here we're missing some doors. This one right here is a upgraded package appliance. Now if you go back to our first video on that maple wood, you're gonna notice that that GE package appliances is gonna be more of an apartment grade. This one, we do have the undermounted sink. On the maple wood, had the undermounted Blanca sink, which is really nice. As you can see, there's a lot of upgrades here as far as the 42 upper cabinets with a nice 3-inch crown. They definitely did the nice subway tile, and again with the gourmet kitchen package appliances. These ones are going to be a little bit more better front cabinets here, and obviously we have the MDS with the side glides with the staples. Okay, let's take a look at the pantry. What do we have on the pantry here? Pantry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shelves. Probably moving a little bit fast for you guys. Now with this builder, believe it or not, you do have a lot of upgrades that you can do to this home. Number one, you got the radiant barrier 2 as well. That comes standard, R30 inside the attics. 16 SEER rating on the AC unit. On this one, we have an orange peel. You can do the upgrades on the different type of textures of your walls. Okay, this one they did a bull nose. You can definitely do a straight edge, but the style of this home really matches everything that they have done to it. We have some standard 3-inch baseboards here. Those are like the most generic baseboards you can get. Now, a lot of this stuff is kind of hard to imagine. So what happens is they got 4 different models. When you have 4 different models like this, each model they will have the standard flooring, the standard baseboards, the standard sinks, the standard doors. So that way, if you have any questions, you just walk through the models and the sales rep will let you know what comes standard. So that way you can physically picture it. But however, what they do is they add a lot of upgrades, and this is where they do their sales, right? Because you look at this and you're like, oh my God, this thing looks so beautiful, right? Like all these additional lights are not included. Also the distribute sounds, okay? But you guys already know that because you guys been watching us for some time. You can definitely do the upgraded covered patio. Now, this builder right now, I was told by the sales guy that you can get some incentives if you use the preferred lenders. Now, I can tell you right now, man, one of the best deals right now for the builders for me is actually KB Homes. Look, this is funny. It says 14 SEER here. Remember this. Can you guys see that? Zoom in on the camera. Here we go. Zoom in. Okay, was that cool or what? Now, what happens is you got a 14 SEER here, okay? You need to make sure, depending on the unit, is it comparable to what you're getting? Because what I want you to do is this. Get your purchase sheet here, which is, I don't know where I put it, so hold that thought. Where the hell did I put it? Oh, hold on. So basically, every new home that you go to, you'll get one of these sheets. Now, it tells you what comes standard. So, on here, energy, okay? Where are we at? Okay, so installation on here, like, let me give you an example. Installation is a R38 in the ceilings. That's actually an upgrade. Standard industry, according to the code, is R30, but this one's giving you R38, which is, that's bomb, okay? However, do you see this right here? 16 SEER. Well, that was a 14 SEER rating. However, it also doesn't tell you the brand of the unit. This also comes with a radiant barrier. Now, during your initial frame walk, not your home inspection, make sure you got the radiant barrier. Now, just a quick tip. If you do not get the radiant barrier, because a lot of people just are not aware of this, and this is the reason why you need to hire an agent like myself. Now, when it comes to the radiant barrier, if it is not installed, what I want you to do is renegotiate the deal. Some builders may not give you that radiant barrier, but then you have an R30. See if you can upgrade it to the R38, okay? There's so many things that you can do to use towards your leverage, but you need to make sure you have all the facts in place. Now, let's go back to the tour. $90 a month on the HOAs. Here, looks like we have our thermostat here, our doorbell, and our alarm. I don't know what to call it, like a horn or something. Now this cabinet right here is probably an upgrade. Typically you get that vanity, and this is the reason why that you need to double check and ask. All hardware and fixtures here are literally all an upgrade, folks. Here's our 2-car garage. I want to see what type of, wow, this is a large garage. 2 feet on each side. Here is our tankless water, okay? Now, there should be a valve, okay, here. Remember when we were outside, we seen that PVC pipe? Here's your drain line. You always want to run this every once in a while because what happens is the water, the settlement is stagnant here, okay? So we need to be on the lookout for that. It's something that needs to be done like every single month, believe it or not. All right, let's head on upstairs. This pony wall was knocked down. They did an upgrade on here. Not bad. Okay. Really opens everything up. So this is what they consider the loft. Let's go this way. 9-foot ceilings on the second floor, 8-foot doors. These are 2-panel doors. Obviously, it was an upgrade. Also, another thing is that if you upgrade the kitchen cabinets, does that matter? Does that automatically upgrade the bathroom cabinets, okay? You can go from 32s to 36 on here. Under-mounted sinks. Then we have our fiberglass tub. Good job on the cladding here. Now, here we have recessed lighting. However, this light is designed for moisture. These ones are not. Two-inch casings around the door. So we got 2 bedrooms here back to back. Nice and tight. This is a very small bedroom. 4-can lighting right above us. The ceiling fan right here is pumping. Love the fact that you have that transfer duct here. Or is it a transfer grill? It looks like grill is right above us, so it's a transfer grill. Vice versa here. Now this bedroom is a little bit larger than the other bedroom. It's funny how this home is a little bit smaller than the other one, but it almost looks just as big. Again, I've noticed that we have some hairline crack in here, hairline crack in here. Okay? Just a quick tip. Once you get your new home, right, you kind of want to keep that temperature as consistent as possible. If there's a lot of fluctuation from, 78 degrees all the way up to like 90 degrees because you're turning it off once you leave, you're going to get these cracks. And I would highly recommend that you wait probably a couple months before you contact them. Just before your bumper-to-bumper warranty runs out, contact them and have them come out here to fix those. Because as your home is settling, you're going to have these type of cracks. Washer and dryer is not included, we already know that. Upgraded on that sink. Look at this 48-inch panel. Let's see what this one is equipped with. Oh, this one's locked. Linen closet here. Very unique. Primary in the back of the house. Not bad. Pretty decent size. Get the Las Vegas Strip there. Okay. Now, you see at this end cap of the roof tile, every year you might want to check that because it gets so dry, okay? That tar right there, that seal, will end up drying up and cracking. You don't want water to get in between that, okay? Something that you should be really checking out on, because the problem with a house, it costs us a lot of money to own a house. A lot of deferred maintenance happens, believe it or not. Now, as we come in to the transition here from carpet to tile, as you can see, this was not done correctly. It should have been butted up a little bit more, because now you have this sharp lip. To keep this a clean look, I would definitely use a Schluter. Also, another thing I've seen here is that the tile, you see how it's breaking? They took this tile all the way up to the baseboards. It's supposed to go underneath the baseboards. We all know that. Not bad for a bathroom though. Not my style, but I mean, it's cool. This one they cladded all the way up to the top. Surprised they didn't add a window in the back on that frame. But this one is a little bit unique because only one person could utilize this. Because imagine somebody making a doo-doo option for a door here. You're getting ready for work. There's 2 of you. Then what? Now you got to wait for the other person to make a doo-doo, right? And by the time they make a doo-doo, it's going to be stink. Now you got to wait longer. Now you're running late to work. I mean, that's not cool. Well, I mean, that's pretty much it for this video. Also, if you guys want to get started on your home search, you guys can visit lbhomeexperts.com. Okay, you have access to all the properties, all the resale that's current. It's a great website that we had built out for you guys, so check it out. I mean, we have access to all the homes. Also, within the link in the description, we have new homes as well. Also, we have real estate courses. If you guys want to learn how to make 6 to 7 figures, we have a link for that. If you want to learn how to make money through YouTube, just like this, okay, and get monetized, we have a course for that too as well. Also, if you guys are interested in the standing inventory list, have a link for that. Literally right now, there's a builder that's giving hundreds of thousands of dollars, right? They're trying to liquidate their property. So click on that link, go ahead and register for that. Or also, if you want the monthly report, you can register for that too as well. So there's so many links in the description that I find that should be very valuable for you guys, okay? Also, there's no charge to hire us to represent you as a licensed real estate agent. Okay, the cost is free unless if you want to pay. How do we get paid? We get paid directly from the builder. All right, guys, that's pretty much it for this spiel. I wish you guys nothing but the best. Be blessed, folks. If you guys want to check out all our video home tours, we have over 1,800 video home tours. Just go ahead and click on this video right here. If you guys are in the market and you want to purchase a home and want to get started, visit lvhomeexperts.com. Scan this QR code right now. Also, if you guys just love real estate and want to get into real estate, go ahead and subscribe to our second channel. Until next time, peace.